Welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at a machine that has the entire performance car world talking. A car so powerful, so aggressive, and so unexpected that many enthusiasts still can't believe it actually exists. The 2026 Mustang Boss GT500 isn't just another high-performance Mustang. It represents Ford's boldest statement yet, a statement that says the age of raw American muscle is far from over. For years, automotive experts predicted that stricter regulations, electrification, and changing consumer preferences would slowly push traditional V8-powered performance cars into history. Yet Ford has responded in the most dramatic way possible. Instead of making the Mustang quieter, softer, or less emotional, they've built what could be the most extreme road-going Mustang ever conceived. And here's the shocking part. The Boss GT500 isn't simply about horsepower. Anyone can build a fast car today. What Ford appears to have created is something much more dangerous to the competition. A complete performance machine capable of challenging vehicles that cost 2 or even 3 times as much. The question is simple. Has Ford just created the ultimate American supercar disguised as a Mustang? Let's find out. The first thing that grabs your attention is the design. Even parked, the 2026 Mustang Boss GT500 looks like it's moving. Every surface, every vent, every bodyline seems designed with one goal in mind: intimidation. At the front, Ford has completely transformed the personality of the Mustang. The nose sits lower and wider than before, giving the car an aggressive stance that immediately commands attention. Massive air intakes dominate the front fascia, feeding cool air into the high-output powertrain while also creating a visual impression that this machine is hungry for speed. The headlights are sharper than ever. Their slim LED signature creates a predatory appearance, especially at night. From certain angles, the front end almost resembles a modern fighter jet preparing for takeoff. Then there's the hood. Ford engineers clearly understood that a car with this much performance needs serious cooling. The sculpted hood features enormous functional vents that help extract heat while simultaneously improving aerodynamic efficiency. It's not just for show, every opening serves a genuine purpose. Moving around the side reveals an even more dramatic story. The fenders are significantly wider than those found on a standard Mustang. This gives the Boss GT500 an incredibly muscular stance. It looks planted, it looks stable, most importantly, it looks fast. Massive performance tires fill those arches perfectly, creating a visual connection between the car and the pavement. Lightweight forged wheels further enhance the performance-focused character while reducing unsprung weight for improved handling. One of the most impressive aspects of the design is how Ford has managed to balance heritage and innovation. Even though the Boss GT500 looks futuristic, it remains instantly recognizable as a Mustang. That iconic fastback roofline remains intact. The long hood is still there. The athletic proportions remain unmistakable. But everything has been sharpened, refined, and amplified. The result is a car that respects its history while aggressively embracing the future. At the rear, things become even more serious. A large performance spoiler sits prominently above the trunk lid. Unlike decorative wings found on many modern sports cars, this unit appears specifically designed to generate meaningful downforce at high speeds. Below it, the signature tri-bar taillights continue to provide an unmistakable Mustang identity. Then, your eyes move lower. An enormous rear diffuser dominates the lower section of the bumper. Combined with the quad exhaust system, it gives the car a race-inspired appearance that few production vehicles can match. Everything about the exterior suggests one thing. This Mustang wasn't built to cruise, it was built to attack. Of course, the real story begins when you open the hood. For decades, the Mustang has earned its reputation through powerful engines. But the powertrain rumored to sit inside the 2026 Boss GT500 may elevate the car into an entirely different category. Industry insiders suggest Ford has developed an evolved version of its legendary supercharged V8 architecture. While official numbers remain closely guarded, many reports indicate power output could exceed 850 horsepower. Think about that for a moment. 850 horsepower. In a Mustang, just a few years ago, those numbers belonged exclusively to exotic hypercars costing hundreds of thousands of dollars. Now Ford appears ready to deliver similar performance, wrapped in a vehicle carrying one of the most iconic badges in automotive history. But horsepower alone never tells the full story. What truly matters is how that power is delivered. According to early information, the Boss GT500 has been engineered to provide explosive acceleration throughout the rev range. The supercharger ensures immediate throttle response, eliminating the delay often associated with turbocharged performance cars. The moment you touch the accelerator, the engine responds. No hesitation, no waiting, just pure acceleration. The result is a driving experience that feels visceral, mechanical, and intensely emotional. Modern performance cars often rely heavily on computers to create speed. The Boss GT500 appears to achieve something different. It combines advanced technology with old-school muscle car character. That combination could make it one of the most exciting driver's cars on the market. Performance estimates are equally staggering. Many analysts believe the car could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 3 seconds. Some predictions suggest even faster times under ideal conditions. If those estimates prove accurate, the Boss GT500 would become one of the quickest production vehicles Ford has ever built. But straight-line speed is only part of the equation. Ford knows today's enthusiasts expect much more than quarter-mile dominance. That's why engineers have reportedly invested enormous effort into improving chassis dynamics. The suspension system has been redesigned to maximize grip and control. Advanced adaptive dampers continuously monitor road conditions and driver inputs, adjusting settings in real time. This technology allows the car to perform multiple roles. During daily driving, it remains comfortable and refined. Switch into performance modes, however, and the entire personality changes. Body roll decreases, steering sharpens, throttle response becomes more aggressive. The car transforms from civilized cruiser to track weapon almost instantly. That versatility is becoming increasingly important in the modern performance market. Buyers no longer want a vehicle that excels in only one environment. They want a car capable of commuting Monday through Friday and dominating a racetrack on the weekend. The Boss GT500 appears designed to do exactly that. Steering performance is another area receiving significant attention. Early reports suggest improved steering calibration provides greater precision and feedback than previous generations. This may sound like a minor improvement, but enthusiasts understand its importance. A powerful engine can make a car exciting. Precise steering makes it rewarding. The connection between driver and machine often determines whether a vehicle becomes truly memorable. Ford seems determined to ensure the Boss GT500 delivers that connection. Then we arrive at braking performance. Because extraordinary speed requires extraordinary stopping power. To handle the immense capabilities of the powertrain, Ford has reportedly equipped the Boss GT500 with massive performance brakes, featuring advanced cooling systems. Large rotors, multi-piston calipers, and track-focused materials ensure consistent performance under extreme conditions. Whether attacking mountain roads or completing extended track sessions, drivers need confidence that the car can stop as effectively as it accelerates. Everything suggests Ford has taken that responsibility seriously. Perhaps the most fascinating aspect of the Boss GT500 is how thoroughly integrated the entire package appears to be. This isn't simply a Mustang with more horsepower. It represents a comprehensive engineering effort. Every component appears designed to support the car's extraordinary performance objectives. The aerodynamics, the suspension, the cooling systems, the braking hardware, the drivetrain. Everything works together, and that's what separates truly great performance cars from merely powerful ones. As impressive as the exterior and mechanical upgrades may be, Ford's ambitions become even more apparent when you step inside the cabin. Gone are the days when muscle cars sacrificed interior quality in pursuit of speed. The 2026 Boss GT500 aims to deliver both. The moment you enter, you're greeted by a cockpit designed around the driver. Premium materials cover nearly every visible surface. Leather, Alcantara, carbon fiber accents, and soft touch materials create an environment that feels worthy of the vehicle's performance capabilities. Yet despite the luxury upgrades, the cabin remains focused on driving. Everything is positioned exactly where it should be. The controls feel purposeful. The layout prioritizes functionality. You immediately get the sense that this interior was designed by people who genuinely enjoy driving, and that's increasingly rare. The seats deserve special attention. Ford appears to have developed heavily bolstered performance seats capable of keeping occupants secure during aggressive driving, while remaining comfortable during long journeys. Finding that balance is extremely difficult. Too much support can make daily driving uncomfortable. Too little support compromises performance. The Boss GT500 appears determined to offer both, and that may be one of its greatest strengths. End of Part 1. Part 2 will continue with interior technology, digital cockpit driving modes, sound experience, track performance safety, features, real-world driving impressions, rival comparisons, pricing, final verdict, powerful outro and CTA, approx 3,000 words in Part 2, vid IQ. As impressive as the seating position and premium materials are, the real transformation happens when the technology comes to life. Ford clearly understands that modern performance buyers expect far more than raw horsepower. They want a car that feels intelligent, connected, and customizable. The 2026 Mustang Boss GT500 appears ready to deliver on all three fronts. Directly in front of the driver sits a fully digital instrument cluster that can be configured in multiple ways depending on driving style and personal preference. In normal driving mode, the display provides clean, easy-to-read information including speed, navigation, fuel data, and vehicle status. But the moment you switch into one of the performance-focused modes, the entire display changes character. Suddenly, the tachometer becomes the center of attention. Performance gauges appear. Lap timing functions become accessible. Real-time vehicle data begins streaming across the screen. It's almost like having a race engineer sitting beside you, constantly feeding information about what the car is doing. The center infotainment display represents another major step forward. Ford's latest software platform appears faster, smoother, and more responsive than previous systems. Menus are easier to navigate, graphics are sharper, and important functions are accessible with minimal distraction. Wireless smartphone connectivity comes standard, allowing drivers to instantly access navigation, music, messages, and applications without dealing with cables. It's a small detail, but it significantly improves everyday usability. Voice control functionality has also reportedly been improved. Instead of forcing drivers to memorize complicated commands, the system responds to more natural speech patterns. This allows drivers to keep their hands on the wheel and their attention on the road where it belongs. Of course, technology is most impressive when it enhances the driving experience rather than distracting from it. That's where the driving modes become especially interesting. The Boss GT500 is expected to offer multiple driving configurations, each dramatically altering the vehicle's personality. In normal mode, the car behaves surprisingly civilly. Throttle response remains smooth, suspension settings prioritize comfort, and the transmission focuses on efficiency. This mode makes the GT500 surprisingly manageable during daily commutes and long-distance highway driving. Switch into sport mode, however, and things begin to change. The throttle becomes sharper, the transmission holds gears longer, steering weight increases, the exhaust grows louder, the entire car feels more alert, more focused, more aggressive. Then comes track mode, and this is where the Boss GT500 reveals its true identity. Every system shifts toward maximum performance. The suspension stiffens considerably, steering becomes razor sharp. Transmission shifts occur with astonishing speed. Stability control systems allow greater freedom while still providing a safety net when necessary. The transformation is dramatic. It's almost like driving an entirely different vehicle. Ford understands that many buyers will never take their cars to a racetrack. But for those who do, having access to genuine track-focused engineering creates an entirely different level of ownership satisfaction. The sound experience deserves an entire section of its own. Because, let's be honest, nobody buys a supercharged V8 Mustang for silence. The moment the engine starts, the Boss GT500 announces its presence. A deep rumble echoes through the exhaust system. The engine settles into an aggressive idle. You can feel subtle vibrations through the steering wheel and seat. The car feels alive. Blip the throttle and the response is immediate. The supercharger whines. The exhaust barks. The entire vehicle seems eager to unleash its full potential. As engine speed rises, the soundtrack becomes increasingly dramatic. The combination of supercharger noise, intake sound, mechanical vibration, and exhaust thunder creates a sensory experience few modern vehicles can match. In an era where many performance cars are becoming quieter and more refined, the Boss GT500 appears determined to preserve the emotional side of driving, and that may be one of its greatest achievements. Numbers impress people. Sound creates memories. Out on the road, all these elements combine to create something special. Imagine pulling onto an empty stretch of highway. You press the accelerator, the rear tires dig into the pavement, the supercharger screams, the horizon rushes toward you. Within seconds, you're traveling at speeds that would have seemed impossible in a production Mustang just a decade ago. Yet despite the incredible acceleration, the car remains stable and composed. This is where the aerodynamic improvements begin to matter. Every vent, splitter, diffuser, and spoiler contributes to high-speed stability. Airflow is carefully managed to keep the vehicle planted even as speeds climb dramatically. Many high-horsepower cars feel nervous when pushed toward their limits. The Boss GT500 appears engineered to inspire confidence, and confidence allows drivers to explore performance safely. The same philosophy extends to cornering performance. Previous generations of muscle cars often earned criticism for their handling characteristics. They excelled in straight lines but struggled when roads became technical. Ford has spent years changing that perception. The 2026 Boss GT500 may represent the culmination of those efforts. Thanks to advanced suspension tuning, wider tires, improved chassis rigidity, and sophisticated electronic systems, the car reportedly feels remarkably balanced through corners. Turn-in response is immediate. Mid-corner stability is impressive. Exit acceleration is explosive. The result is a vehicle that feels equally comfortable attacking winding roads and long straightaways. This balance is what separates truly world-class performance cars from vehicles that excel in only one area. Safety remains another critical aspect of the package. While buyers will naturally focus on horsepower figures and lap times, Ford understands that modern performance vehicles must also protect occupants. The Boss GT500 is expected to include a comprehensive suite of advanced safety technologies. Adaptive cruise control helps reduce fatigue during long journeys. Blind spot monitoring improves awareness in traffic. Lane keeping systems provide additional support when necessary. Automatic emergency braking can intervene during critical situations. Rear cross traffic alerts make parking maneuvers easier and safer. High-definition camera systems improve visibility from every angle. These features may not generate headlines like horsepower numbers do, but they significantly improve the ownership experience. Because ultimately, the best performance car is one you can enjoy confidently every day. Let's talk about something enthusiasts frequently overlook: long-term ownership. A car can be incredibly fast and still become frustrating to live with. Excessive maintenance, poor visibility, uncomfortable seating, limited storage, complicated controls. These factors often determine whether owners continue loving a vehicle years after purchase. Ford appears determined to avoid those pitfalls. The cabin remains practical enough for everyday use. Storage space is reasonable. Technology is intuitive. Visibility is improved. Comfort levels remain surprisingly high. In other words, the Boss GT500 isn't trying to be an exotic supercar. It's trying to be something arguably more difficult, an everyday supercar, a vehicle capable of delivering extraordinary excitement without demanding extraordinary sacrifices. That philosophy has always been central to Mustang's success, and the Boss GT500 appears to embrace it fully. Of course, no performance car exists in isolation. Competition has never been more intense. The modern performance market includes some truly remarkable machines. Chevrolet continues pushing boundaries with its high-performance offerings. Dodge remains synonymous with brute force horsepower. European manufacturers offer increasingly sophisticated alternatives. Even emerging electric performance cars are beginning to challenge traditional assumptions about speed. So where does the Boss GT500 fit? Interestingly, it occupies a unique position. It delivers exotic car acceleration, sports car handling, grand touring comfort, muscle car emotion. Very few vehicles successfully combine all four characteristics. Most specialize in one or two areas. The Boss GT500 appears determined to excel across the board. That versatility may become its most powerful competitive advantage. Then comes the question everyone wants answered: how much will it cost? While Ford has not officially confirmed final pricing, industry analysts expect the 2026 Mustang Boss GT500 to begin somewhere between $85,000 and $100,000 depending on configuration and market conditions. At first glance, that sounds expensive, and it is. But context matters. Performance vehicles producing this level of power frequently cost far more. Many European alternatives easily exceed six figures. Some approach $200,000. Viewed through that lens, the Boss GT500 begins to look surprisingly competitive, especially when you consider everything included in the package: massive horsepower, advanced technology, premium interior materials, track-ready engineering, everyday practicality. Few vehicles offer so much capability for the money, and that's why the Mustang name continues to resonate with enthusiasts around the world. Ford consistently finds ways to deliver extraordinary performance without completely abandoning accessibility. As we step back and look at the complete picture, something becomes increasingly clear. The 2026 Mustang Boss GT500 is more than just another high-performance Mustang. It's a statement that passion still matters, a statement that internal combustion performance remains relevant, a statement that driving excitement cannot be replaced by numbers alone. Ford could have played it safe. They could have built a slightly faster version of the existing Mustang and called it a day. Instead, they appear to have created something genuinely ambitious, something memorable, something that pushes boundaries. Whether you're a lifelong Mustang enthusiast or simply someone who appreciates great engineering, it's difficult not to respect what Ford seems to have accomplished here. The design is aggressive, the performance is outrageous, the technology is modern, the handling is sophisticated, the character is unmistakable. Most importantly, it still feels like a Mustang. That may sound simple, but preserving identity while advancing performance is one of the hardest challenges any manufacturer faces. The Boss GT500 appears ready to meet that challenge head-on. And if the final production version delivers on the promises suggested by early information, Ford may have created one of the most exciting performance cars of the decade. A machine capable of honoring the past while embracing the future. A machine that reminds us why enthusiasts fell in love with performance cars in the first place. Because at the end of the day, great cars aren't defined solely by horsepower figures, lap times, or technology features. They're defined by how they make people feel. And judging by everything we've seen so far, the 2026 Mustang Boss GT500 is going to make people feel something very special. Maybe that's why enthusiasts everywhere keep saying the same thing. I can't believe Ford actually built this. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest automotive deep dives. And let us know in the comments below. Would you choose the 2026 Mustang Boss GT500 over its biggest rivals? Or is there another performance car you'd rather have in your garage? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.